Oh, okay, good. Oh, yeah, good. All right. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Hayden, what? Any of the last minute instructions? You got, everybody knows what to do, right? You got the apps.
Make sure everybody knows.
Yeah.
You know what? Like, this is big time. Like, I just walked in here. Obviously, you guys set this thing up over the last 3 days. Like, this is the best booth we've ever put forward. Having a car in it. You know, what we talk about with our training, is when we come in to train you, we don't train you on a scrap panel. We train on live damage, and that makes the difference in our training. But up to now, at every SEMA, we demo on a scrap panel. This is going to be massive for people seeing, believing, and then moving them to action. Like, having this car, God bless Mike for providing this car for us to kick the shit out of and then repair. So it's gonna be really, really special, really, really special. And you know, just the effort that has gone in. We're gonna have the video up while we're doing the repairs, and then we'll have, you know, our team gathered around ready to answer questions, move people through that process. As you guys know, our core process, we're gonna attract, and this booth is gonna attract like we've never attracted before, right? Then we make offers, right? And we've got better offers on our line of products than we've ever had, and then we close them, right? We close them. And you know, people come in and they want to kick the tires, they want to wait a couple days, you know, and come back. That's fine, but we need to give them that space, but we also just need to project confidence. Like, because sometimes people are like, well, this looks amazing, but what else is there? And it's like, okay, you know, B-Tag's right here, go check them out, right? That's what I tell people, literally go over there and check that out. Cam Auto's back behind, what's that? Yeah, go check them out, and then come back, right? Come back and we'll do business. And that's the confidence that we have because of our verticality, right? We think of these ideas, you know, in the manufacturing plant, in the engineering department. We manufacture them, you know, and then we sell direct, and then we train direct. But by you guys getting out and training, that's what allows us to know what the limits are and to overcome those limits. And you know, things that we have, people are amazed. The people that talk to me, even today, people are just like, where did you guys come from? How did you get so much prominence in this industry in such a short time? It's like, listen, like, we listen to the industry, we react, we have this vertical nature, and like, we're fired up. Like, everybody here, like, this is the Super Bowl for us. And we have butterflies. You know, we've had text messages. You know, I've had text messages from Gene Fetty today. He's dying not being here because he knows how special it is to be at SEMA and to be a part of this booth. Like, this is the, you know, I remember when Mike Britton, our operations manager, came here a couple years ago. Like, he knew we had a cool thing going. He's like, guys, I had no idea. Like, this is the most busy booth that I saw anywhere in SEMA. So anyway, what we have is special. Man, we're so glad to have Matt with us this year. Matt, that stand is incredible. But what's even better is the character of Matt Boyette, and I'm so happy to have our brand with your personal brand. So really happy to have you here. Anyway, and Dave, yes, Ambassador of the Year, the guy that's really put a bunch of effort in. Yes, let's go. Phil's busy as he can be trying to keep Australia going, but he wasn't going to miss this. So, and he's like bringing like new merch. So love it. Ben, you got a voice today?
I do, yeah.
All right, yes, let's go. Danny, what do you got?
Man, dude, I got my vest on and I got this
and I'm ready to sell some systems, boys.
Yeah, let's
That's
go.
what I got.
Go.
That's what I'm nervous.
Awesome.
I'm so nervous.
It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Like, so Aaron Schulenberg at SCRS told me that they're up 17% in their education registrations over last year. He's like, this weekend was a massive number. He's like, I think people are kind of waiting till the last second, but they're all going to be here, and that's kind of. I think that shops are less busy, but there's a lot of shops that are healthy, and because they're less busy this year, they got time, and they'll listen better than they have in the past. So we just have to help them understand that, like, repairability is back. You know, we brought it back. I remember last year, Dave over at BTAG, I walked into his booth and I said, listen, we got to be on the same page. We're bringing repairability back. Like, that is happening. Glue Pull has done that. Let's be on the same page about that. And it's been amazing how that's unfolded in the past year, and we've seen how repairability is really changing with our premium system. And so, anyway, I couldn't be more excited to be here. I couldn't be more proud of each and every person. And, you know, listen, like, it's, as we talked about, top salesman is $1,000. Second place is, I don't really like second place, but yeah, but we'll do 500 for second place. If we hit our goal, we're at 500 each for everybody. Besides you guys. Well, maybe, who knows? If we blow it out of the water, it may go everybody. Anyway, so if anybody's got anything else?
Gear up on 3.
All right, yeah, let's
Gear
go.
up on 3.
Get your hands in here, yeah.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
Gear up!